அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நாம் இந்த வகுப்பில் ஒரு ஆர்கானிக் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு சொல்யூஷன் பார்ப்போம். ரெண்டு ஆர்கானிக் ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். First, let us discuss this problem. The molecular formula of an alcohol is C4H10O, and of course the locant number of the OH group is 2. Then what is the formula, structural formula of that compound? What is its IUPAC name? Whether it is saturated or unsaturated. First of all, the structural formula is, since it is 4 carbon atom system and the OH group is at that second position, the compound should be CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. This is the compound. Because there are isomers for this C4H10O, but since the OH group is in the second position, this is the compound. The another isomer is N-butyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. And this is the second one, and the next one is isobutyl alcohol. And the third one is tertiary butyl alcohol. Of course, this is in the first position and this is also in the first position, and this is that second 2 butanol is the compound, and the IUPAC name is 2-butanol, and of course 4 carbon atom system, it is butane plus all, so the IUPAC name is butanol. Whether it is saturated or unsaturated, and this compound is a saturated compound because all the carbons are connected only through single bond. Carbon single bond இருந்ததுன்னா அது saturated. எல்லா இடத்துலையும் carbons are connected through single bond, therefore it is saturated. Unsaturated means there should be a carbon double bond, or there should be a carbon triple bond. ஒரு அந்த காம்பவுண்டில் கார்பனுக்கு இடையில டபுள் பாண்டோ அல்லது கார்பன் ட்ரிபிள் பாண்டோ இருந்ததுன்னா அதை வந்து நம்ம அன்சாச்சுரேட்டட்னு சொல்கிறோம். In this case, only all the carbon atoms are connected through single bond, therefore it is saturated compound. So to conclude, it is a saturated compound because it is containing only C, single bond C, and its IUPAC name is 2-butanol, and the structural formula is CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Not this. And of course, let us discuss the second question. And second question is, the organic compound A is used as a preservative when it is made to react with ethanol. It produces a sweet smelling compound B. And what is A? Give the reaction to form B, and what is the name of the process. And of course, the A compound is ethanoic acid. This is A, CH3COOH, and this is also called acetic acid, CH3COOH. See, the compound A is acetic acid. How do you say that the compound A is acetic acid? Because the A is used as a preservative, and this is the compound, this is the acid which is used as a preservative under the name vinegar. This is also called ethanoic acid, and this is also witnessed from this formula. and the number of carbon atom is 2. It is here given in the question itself, a C2H4O2, and the formula contains 2 carbon atoms C2, and number of hydrogen atom is 4, and here H3 and H4, and the oxygen atom is 2. Whenever you have the formula in the formula O2, it should be an acid or ester, and of course it is since it is given as a preservative, this is acetic acid. A is acetic acid, and it is also called ethanoic acid. And when this acid reacts with ethanol, ethanol is C2H5OH. An acid reacts with alcohol, gives ester, which is a sweet smelling liquid. It is given like that. When you have that sweet smelling liquid in the question paper, you should understand, you should say that it is an ester. Esters are all sweet smelling compound. And this is that B compound plus water. And of course, this is ethyl acetate. The compound B is ethyl acetate. B is CH3CO ethyl acetate. It is also witnessed by this sweet smelling compound. All the esters are sweet smelling compound. And there is also a question, what is the name of the process? And the name of this process is what is called esterification, because during this process, during the reaction between the acetic acid and ethyl alcohol, we prepare ester. So this is what is called esterification. Thank you very much.